Okay, a very good morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing on Sunday, the 26th of February. So first of all, taking a look at the synoptic, we see this high pressure's built quite a lot over the last few days, and it's certainly going to look like a very, very settled day. No frontal activity forecast. Isobars reasonably spaced, but I think the wind is still reasonably strong at flying height. Looking ahead to the next few days, it doesn't look like it's going to change massively as this high pressure staying just to the north of us and isobars becoming a little bit further apart. Spot winds today, we're looking at about 20 knots, perhaps 25 knots at flying height, a little bit more towards the south coast from the northeast. And that's current sat pic. You see very clear down towards our part of the country. I think that's going to stay pretty much the same around here most of the day. Not expecting any rain today. A few little showers out in the channel here, but to be honest, not expecting anything today here. And that aligns with the public forecast, which is suggesting pretty much sunny intervals all day. Feeling quite cold, currently 1 degree, and there is actually a light frost out there, and a reasonable wind on the ground. So we'll be feeling a bit cold, but good visibility, and otherwise quite a nice day. Top temperature today of about 6 or 7 degrees around here, and the dew point nice and low, potentially down towards about -4. So we're looking at 8 or 10 degree temperature dew point split there. So very good. And that's current view outside, nice and clear. No cumulus going yet. It is still February after all, but looking very clear at the moment. Looks very nice. Current temperature's 0.5 degree with a dew point of -1.5, and supposedly a northerly wind at 5 knots, but hopefully a bit more east. Farnborough's forecasting 8 knots of wind from the northeast all day, otherwise nothing. Few clouds at 3,500 feet. And the potential flight distance for an 18-meter glider is, as you see there, looks like it's good for at least a couple of 100K. Looking towards the thermals, it's at 9 AM, not a lot. As soon as we get to 10, we start to get some cumulus developing, and looks like it's well and truly going by about 11. If we go ahead to 12 or 1 o'clock, it looks like we're getting cloud bases of up to 1,500 meters, so potentially 4,500 feet today. David Maston's forecast is a good day for February, starting by about 11 AM and cumulus to 4,500, potentially 5,000 feet up until 4 PM. And he says it's good for 200 to 300K, possibly even 400. As for NOTAMs today, not really anything to affect. Locally, as usual, we've got number 3 down here, which is Southampton's operating hours. There's permanent NOTAM at Middlewall at number 10, and a danger area over here activated. Those of you that are going cross country, obviously have a look on your route, see what else there is, but there's not a lot around today. So operationally today, we are going to be really reasonably busy. The grass is too wet to grid, so everything's going to be on the main runway as usual. So it'll be a fairly normal, more like a summer setup. So the launch point on the southern edge of runway 09, with the cables coming along the edge of the runway, but the gliders on the winch launch being from the grass. Aerotowing will be on the north side of the runway, yeah, and they'll have quite a lot of space. So a fairly normal summer setup. Just a couple of other things. First good day of the season, so it's probably going to be quite busy, so everyone keep a good lookout and just take it easy being the first day of the year. But other than that, should be a really good day. I'll see you out on the airfield. Bye for now.